Good morning from Bikercowboy Garage. It's another beautiful, crisp Monday here in the Pacific Northwest. I have Big Dog Al, my pops, here with me today. So, I told y'all we'd be coming to you live. We'll give you a quick little race recap. Chubbs performed flawlessly. So, we went out and took 2 second places. I got to pass an Indian FTR 750 race bike, which is probably the highlight of my 2-night racing career so far. Dad said it'd be cool if you could pass that guy, and I did, so that was super awesome. Back shocks kind of went away, so I've got some new progressives over here that will go on this week. Seat worked really well. I'm going to get it covered so it doesn't look like a wad of duct tape, and be back out there December 1st racing again. So, anyways, back to the man that brought me into this world.
Hey, I'm glad to be here at Bikercowboy Garage. This is really cool. I came from Colorado over here to watch some good flat track racing, and Bikercowboy didn't let me down. He did a great job. It was awesome. I just want everybody to know he's the real deal. He started riding before he was 8. And before that, we used to go on long road trips to rallies. And when he fell asleep on my back, we'd stop and take a nap. But he was right in there.
I can still feel your fingers in my ribs waking me up. Yeah, right. 20 years later.
So, yeah, he started riding at age before 8 on a little 50 that we literally pulled out of a dumpster. Did a little work on it, got it painted up, did good, and he graduated through a bunch of bikes. But even on the little 50, he was building mounds around the yard, jumping that thing. I thought, man, this guy's something else. And I've watched him do many a wheelie and sort of eat some skin, but he's learned. He is the real deal, the Bikercowboy.
So yeah, I'm just super stoked. It was really cool to have a ton of people came out to the race. In addition to Dad, thank you everybody that came out. We rolled deep. We filled up the whole pit area. I had a huge cheering section. You guys made it totally worth it. Thank you everybody for coming out. Everybody that took pictures, sent me pictures, thank you for all of that. Paradise Harley, thank you. Pacific Motorcycle Transport, Schenko Tires, all those guys help keep us going, and everybody that lends a hand, hauls me somewhere, brings me snacks, whatever it may be, every single one of you out there helps make this happen. So I don't know, it's pretty cool. I'm learning a lot. I'm getting way more comfortable on the track now. It's not so overwhelming. It's fun. The track got real dry slick for the second race, and it was a rodeo ride. It was super fun. I learned a lot. We were loose, couldn't really hook up. Thor from CC was in first, and he slid out, is why I got second, but still it's a second place. I'll take it. I would have been third, but over 2 guys that race on basically built professional bikes, I'll take it on my beater Sportster here, you know. It is what it is, but just learning a ton every time we go out. Me and Dad are going to go to the World of Speed today. We're going to check out the Harley exhibit they have there. We're going to bum around, maybe take the motorcycles for a short little scoot to lunch or something like that. But anyways, we're just having a super fun time, and got today to hang out. Dad leaves in the morning, so we're going to go make the best out of it.
I just want to give a shout out to all the family over there at Paradise Harley Davidson. Man, I am officially dubbed as Pops over there, and I love it. I think that's cool. They are the friendliest people. Man, I feel like I'm part of the group, and I just get here a few times a year. It's awesome.
And Dad is loved. We all love you. Everybody loves Pops. Everybody comes out of the woodwork just to see this guy. He's a hell of a dude, you know. I don't know. Growing up, he was always there for me, always teaching me stuff, being patient. Kids are annoying, and he always took time to teach me new shit, so I really appreciate it, and try and give me something fun and halfway constructive to do, like ride dirt bikes or fix a dirt bike you broke or work on an old car or whatever it was. So, yeah, it's cool kind of to shadow what he said, you know, going back. I remember his old BMW riding on the back of it, the Blue Ridge Parkway. We'd pack up and go camping and stuff, and that was really my start into motorcycles, I guess the beginning memories, and then rescued dirt bikes and put them together, and I'd jump them till I broke stuff and wheelie them till I broke stuff or crashed, and he'd put them back together for me, and we'd keep going, and just kind of graduated up and been on some really cool trips. We went on a trip a few summers ago that I'll never ever forget. Went down to Colorado, and he rode back up here with me, and we rode all over the place, and just super fun. I'm so so blessed to have had such a fun growing up time with this dude, and still out there, we're killing it, riding around, doing fun shit together all the time. So anyways, I think unless you got anything else to say, we're going to go have some fun today. We're going to cut this episode a little bit short, but I'll be back at it next week. Got lots of plans for the Sportster Sport like we talked about. Those shocks that were going to go on it are now going on this. Race bike takes priority, so the Sportster Sport project may be a little bit pushed off, but we're going to get this race bike dialed and have fun. It's good. I feel like we're gaining traction and making some forward progress every time we go out there. I kind of know what I need to do as a rider and what I need to do to get into shape and what we need to do to the bike to be competitive on this cheap little home-built project.
It's awesome.
So
the man can handle a heavy bike on a flat track.
And Harleys are heavy. Don't kid yourself. Go slide one around in the dirt. You'll see. Anyways, Clayton Biker Cowboy and Pops here signing out. We love y'all. Thank you. Tune in next Monday right here at Biker Cowboy Garage. You know where it's at every week. Love y'all. See you next week.